Welcome to Decor Menu, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of random woodworking project ideas you can make for profit. So watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Woodworking projects can be incredibly fulfilling, both creatively and financially. One of the most compelling aspects of woodworking is the potential for profit. As more people turn to handmade items, the market for unique wood projects continues to grow. This trend presents numerous advantages for those looking to craft woodworking projects for profit. Exploring these advantages sheds light on why woodworking can be a lucrative venture. First and foremost, woodworking allows individuals to tap into a market that values craftsmanship and uniqueness. In an age of mass production, many consumers are seeking items that tell a story and reflect individuality. Handmade woodworking projects carry a level of character that manufactured goods often lack. This creates a significant demand for customized artisanal items. People are willing to pay a premium for something that is personalized and crafted with care. Woodworkers who can create distinctive pieces are better positioned to attract customers looking for quality over quantity. Marketing is another area where woodworking shines. The nature of woodworking lends itself well to visually appealing marketing strategies. High-quality photographs of well-crafted items can be very effective, especially on social media platforms. Potential customers can appreciate the texture and detail of the wood, and they are often drawn to the craftsmanship visible in the photos. By building an online presence, woodworkers can showcase their projects, creating a portfolio that highlights their skills and creativity. A compelling visual story can engage customers and drive sales more effectively than conventional marketing methods. The flexibility in pricing is another advantage of woodworking for profit. Unlike mass-produced items which often have fixed price points, woodworkers can set their own prices based on factors like labor, materials, and complexity. This allows them to adjust according to market demand and their target audience. For example, a well-crafted piece may command a higher price, especially if it is marketed effectively. Woodworkers can also experiment with different pricing strategies such as special promotions or discounts for loyal customers, thereby creating more opportunities for sales. Additionally, woodworking projects often have a low initial investment. Many woodworking tools and materials can be acquired without breaking the bank, making it accessible for newcomers to the craft. While a complete workshop setup may require a substantial investment, many woodworkers start small, using basic hand tools and gradually accumulating more specialized equipment as their skills grow. This lower barrier to entry allows aspiring woodworkers to start making money sooner rather than later. Moreover, the woodworking community is rich in resources and support, offering newcomers a wealth of information to help them succeed. Online tutorials, forums, and social media groups can provide insights into techniques, tools, and effective marketing strategies. Engaging with this community can lead to collaborating with other woodworkers or participating in local markets, further enhancing exposure and sales potential. Sharing knowledge and experiences can help newcomers learn the trade more quickly, translating into profitable projects more rapidly. Another advantage of woodworking is the ability to capitalize on trends. As consumer preferences evolve, woodworkers can adapt their projects to fit new demands. For instance, the rising interest in sustainable and eco-friendly products has created a market for projects made from reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials. Woodworkers who recognize these trends can use them to their advantage, creating products that resonate with eco-conscious consumers. This adaptability can lead to increased sales and greater brand loyalty. The satisfaction derived from creating woodworking projects cannot be overstated. The sense of achievement that comes from transforming raw materials into functional or decorative items is deeply rewarding. This intrinsic motivation can drive woodworkers to produce better quality items, which in turn attracts more customers. When creators take pride in their work, it shows, and customers are more likely to appreciate and invest in high-quality products. Furthermore, woodworking can serve as an excellent outlet for creative expression. Each project represents an opportunity to bring an idea to life, test skills, and experiment with new techniques. This creative freedom allows woodworkers to develop a unique style that can distinguish them from competitors. As a woodworker's brand evolves, returning customers will likely value the distinctiveness of their work, leading to increased sales and profitability. A significant aspect of the woodworking business is the potential for recurring revenue. Once a woodworker establishes a customer base, they can benefit from repeat business, especially if they sell high-quality, consumable items like kitchen tools or home decor. Additionally, offering custom pieces can lead to word-of-mouth referrals, amplifying sales without extensive marketing costs. Customers who appreciate the craftsmanship of one piece may return for additional projects or recommend the woodworker to friends and family, creating a reliable source of income. Moreover, woodworking allows individuals to work at their own pace and on their terms. For many, this flexibility is invaluable. Whether as a side hustle or a full-time commitment, woodworkers can tailor their projects around their schedules, making it easier to balance work and life. This autonomy can lead to a more satisfying work-life dynamic, encouraging individuals to pursue their passions without the constraints often found in traditional employment. The seasonal nature of certain woodworking projects also offers opportunities for profit. Holidays and special occasions frequently inspire consumers to purchase meaningful gifts or decorations. Woodworkers can plan their production schedules to the seasons, ramping up efforts around holidays like Christmas, weddings, or graduations. By aligning their production with consumer demand, woodworkers can maximize sales during peak times, enhancing profitability. In addition, woodworking can be a pathway to building a brand. As woodworkers grow their skills and customer bases, they have the chance to create a recognizable brand that embodies quality and craftsmanship. A well-defined brand can help differentiate a woodworker's products from others, fostering loyalty and trust among consumers. As customers begin to identify with a brand, they are more likely to continue purchasing from that woodworker and advocate for their work, creating additional sales opportunities. Expanding into workshops or classes is another avenue for generating profit. Experienced woodworkers can share their knowledge with others interested in the craft. Offering classes can create supplementary income streams while also fostering a new generation of woodworkers. Participants not only benefit from the teachings but may also become customers in the future, creating a mutually beneficial relationship. Lastly, there is a sense of legacy associated with woodworking. Creating quality pieces can leave a lasting impact on customers, making them more likely to cherish and pass down items made from wood. This sense of permanence adds emotional value to the craft, something that mass-produced items often lack. Being part of someone's home or family history can be deeply fulfilling for woodworkers and can enhance their reputation and brand. In conclusion, the advantages of making woodworking projects for profit are vast and multifaceted. From tapping into a market that values craftsmanship to the flexibility of setting one's pace, woodworking offers numerous paths to success. The ability to adapt to trends, utilize creative expression, and build a brand makes woodworking a vibrant venture for those passionate about their craft. As individuals find fulfillment in their art while earning income, the world of woodworking continues to offer opportunities for profit and personal growth. Ultimately, the blend of creativity, community, and entrepreneurship makes woodworking not just a hobby but a rewarding endeavor that can lead to lasting success. Thank you so much for watching Decor Menu, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood. So stay safe and stay blessed.